everyone, it is still your girl Timothy, the 100% Acholi. Today I want to teach you with some of the meanings of proverbs in my language. I'm going to tell you in my language and then translate it in English, and thereafter I will tell you the meaning. So here we go. Each rat has its own whiskers. It means each person is responsible for his or her problems. A poor person is never laughed at. What do I mean? Here, this proverb means do not laugh at a poor person, because something may yet happen or may yet come his or her way. So, poverty and not wealth is paramount. Someone who denies you white hands has saved you from dysentery. What does this mean? It means someone who denies you something nice might be saving you trouble. Champa miangudi kimwanotea duruka kitia katuomkipi. The poverty of a goodie's mother. She seals the bottom of the basket, and then goes with it to fetch water. The poverty of a dense mother. She goes to fetch water with a mortar. This means extreme poverty leads to looking for a last possible alternative. The third kit now a honey harvester is the one who licks his or her hands. What does this mean? This proverb means you reap what you sow. Another one is if you have come with a black dog. It means you have misfortune. Another one is slowly prevented Mzungu or prevented European from falling. What does this mean? That persistence, however slow pace. Another one is every day like every day like Omole, her hunter, was a very successful hunter. He had a net that kept on catching animals. So when you repeat success, one is being like Omole. So when success comes your way time and again, you become like Omole, Thank you so much. These are some of the proverbs in Acholi. Next time I come back, I'll teach you with more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, WAN LUO. Thank you.